Ready to break the chains of your average mind and unleash your inner Einstein? This isn't about brainiac birthrights or cryptic formulas, it's about unlocking the hidden potential we all possess. We're talking simple strategies to sharpen your mental edge, nourish your brain for vibrant energy, and streamline your thinking like a productivity ninja. Ditch the mental fog and say hello to crystal clear focus, agile thinking, and the power to crush your goals. Buckle up, friends, because we're about to hack your mind science and unleash the genius within. You know, we all have those days when it feels like our to-do list is a mile long. But here's the thing. Not every task is equally important. To clear the mental fog, focus on a few crucial tasks first. Get them done, and you'll be surprised how your anxiety levels drop. Once the biggies are out of the way, tackling smaller tasks becomes a breeze. It's like a domino effect of productivity. Now, let's talk about being proactive. Anticipate what's coming your way next week. Whether it's household chores or office assignments, leave room for unexpected tasks. Life loves throwing curveballs at us, so having a buffer in your schedule helps you stay one step ahead. Plan for the unexpected, and you'll be better prepared to handle whatever comes your way. Imagine your mind as a cluttered desk. To clear it up, start a mental filing system. Jot down those big decisions: buying a house, learning a new skill, or planning a holiday. Break down the challenges and think about overcoming them. Writing it all down helps you organize your thoughts, making it easier to tackle one thing at a time. It's like decluttering your mind for better focus. Now, let's talk about guarding our mental space. Our minds are precious and we need to protect them from harmful influences. Set healthy boundaries and don't be afraid to say no when needed. Remember what our parents used to say, garbage in, garbage out. Limit the noise around you to maintain a positive and focused mindset. Okay, we're not talking about skipping meals here, we're talking about giving your brain a break from the digital world. Digital intermittent fasting means taking breaks from technology. It could be a short walk without your phone or a tech-free evening. This reset allows your brain to recharge, making you more focused and clear-headed when you return to your tasks. And there you have it, simple ways to unlock your inner Einstein. Clearing mental clutter doesn't require complex strategies, just a bit of mindfulness and planning. Give these tips a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay brilliant.